Is it visible, right? Hello. So, Adarsh, Sunil, are we there? Adarsh, Sunil, I think Sunil, yes,
Yes,
fine, perfect.
yes,
Fine,
yes,
fine,
you are.
okay. So now we'll discuss about this, okay? So this class is Terraform, very important. Terraform is first part, and again Docker, and again Kubernetes, and also Ansible, okay? These are the main tools we're going to learn. And again, the one of the main thing in AWS, we're going to learn ECS, EKS also. That's one thing. And again, GitHub Actions. And again, Jenkins pipeline. So these are the main things we are going to work. Is it clear, right? Any confusion still now? So these are the main things, right? What we are going to learn in the Jenkins pipeline example. See, Jenkins pipeline, we have Jenkins pipeline, we have generally what we have Jenkins pipeline end to end CI/CD tasks, end to end CI/CD tasks. Clear, right? End to end CI/CD tasks. Now we have a account of AWS here. So we can learn in this AWS. We can, so I think I feel like everyone is having account. So Adarsh, Sunil, is it audible, right? So we'll have a good discussions here. So please respond here. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So fine. Perfect. So I'm logging in here. Password percentage 56. Okay. Is it clear, right? So now this is easy to see. Adarsh, Sunil. So are we are okay to join from tomorrow onwards, right? Adarsh, Sunil?
Yes, sir. Fine. From
So how about Adarsh? So now quickly we'll do some of the installation for the Docker. So I don't want to give like no more confusion spot like what is the Docker, what is the virtualizations, why we need all this kind of activities, why what we are doing. Directly I will be jumping to the Docker there, how to install the Docker, and again what are the images, what is this, everything we should understand. Okay. So meanwhile, quickly I'll make it out to understand Docker architecture. Docker, okay. So I think it is loading here. Once again, just a moment. Yeah, it's fine, right? So is this Docker image is fine? So this is what end-to-end Docker. This is a what like Docker images we are understanding here. And again, meanwhile, so any idea about this? What is Docker? Why Docker? What is containerization? So what is the useful of all this kind of activities? Why we are going to the Docker platform? So what is the use of this? Others, see. So Docker is a container platform. So whatever we are building the applications, so all these applications will be making to Z serve microservices based. So for that's why we are going to build the completely individual services. So we know this SBI banking applications, right? So those SBI banking applications, now we are building those applications to the microservices based. Those microservices will be communicating through the API communications. Okay, right? Perfect. So now no need to go with like an in-depth of stuff scenario. Just like I'll be understanding like how to install this Docker launch instance. So learn about EC2 and you can launch test instance, set up cost control, and you can automatically backup your data. So everything is fine. So we'll go back with Reddy server, create a budget. Everything is new here, but I don't want this context. Launch instance, get started. And again, we can make it out. The name is Docker here. And again, I'm taking this Amazon Linux. So now we can choose individual key pairs. The individual key pair I can use like any key pair. Docker Durga .ppk. So create a key pair. So this is in Linux machines how to install the Docker and again how to run the Docker images and again how to run the Docker containers. Everything we can see here in depth. Okay, that's one thing. Launch instance. Straight away we can launch the instance. Click on the EC2 instances. Now, oh, I think these many instances it is running. So now we'll understand Docker. Copy this public IP, open putty, paste it here, SSH, path, credentials, browse. This is my key pair, colors, use system colors, get the appearance like no. This is Windows machine to Linux machine connectivity. Boom. So now this machine is connected here. Click on OK. And by default, this machine is Docker EC2 user is a perfect, right? So this is a way to connect with the Linux machine. So first we can install the sudo yum install Docker. Anyway, in the tomorrow's class, from the scratch, from the stuff, I'll be keeping like more advanced there. So we should create a accounts also, and again we can use this AWS ECS everything. Perfect. So now we can run the command sudo m means we can start the Docker, and again we can check the Docker also. Perfect. Docker is running fine. And one thing. So this is the commands. Sudo Docker. If you run the commands, see all these Docker commands will be there. So we should learn these Docker commands. Like attach, commit, copy, create, difference, everything. Clear, right, Sunil? Everything is fine. Any confusions now till now? All these things will do like the next coming part. Okay, can you explain what is physical machines, virtual machines, and again containers, how Docker comes in the picture? Perfect, Sunil. So definitely I will take this question, right? So I think you are not audible. Right? Can we have interaction? I mean, what I can say, I want interactions. Is it fine? Can you have
Yes,
a
sir.
word?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
See, physical machine in the sense, this was a great question. I don't want to give blindly this one. Physical machines is nothing but whatever we have a one of the one server. Okay, so that is nothing but generally I want to make it out in the paint section. Perfect. Thank you for this question. So this is physical machine, and again this is in this machine there is again virtual machine. Okay, and again now containerization. Okay, now what I can give example when this virtualization, this is one operating system, second operating system example, and again third operating system. All right, so what I can give, this is physical machine, physical machine. Okay, this is again physical machine with virtualization. What is the virtualization? Virtualization is nothing but sharing the hardware resources called as a virtualization. Okay, And again, this is now containerization. Containerizations. In this case, we will get like a lot of containers. Lightweight operating system, and again, lightweight virtualization is there, everything, okay? But here we need to understand, just take an example. Right now we are using our local laptop. In this, our local laptop, if I want Linux operating system and again some other operating systems, then again I should install the third-party tools, Oracle toolbox. Inside that, we should install the one mode operating system. That is a flow. But in the physical machine, only one single operating system like www.sunil.com that I can deploy it. But in that physical machines, I can deploy www.sunil.com, vishwa.com, ved.com, others.com. Like this, we can deploy the multiple. But we require more hardware here. But in this containerization application, one operating system is fine. But how much we required, that much only the libraries, kernels, and again execution files will be taken care in the containerization. But in the physical virtual machine, virtualization is nothing but sharing the hardware resources called as a virtualization. But containerization is nothing but sharing the operating system resource. Operating system resources are nothing but, what are the operating system resource? Kernel, library, many more things. Execution files, all these things. Clear, right?
Yes.
Anyway, we'll understand in deeper wise after tomorrow. Tomorrow onwards the live classes. So any questions? Anyway, so day by day, coming days, we'll make it out, okay? So our actual sessions will start from 8 p.m. onwards. Tomorrow are the live classes. So still many of them will be joining and we will continue on this, okay?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thank you, Sun. Thank you, Adarsh. Okay.